Right, so the next couple I've already kind of done. We need to put all this information together to know about domain, vertical asymptotes, and holes from previous chapters. And yeah, we're supposed to remember things, guys. We're in pre-calc. So I do expect you to be able to recall things. Fun fact. So it says, use the equation below to answer the following questions. It says h of x is equal to 2x squared minus 18 all over 2x squared minus 11x plus 15. It says, find the end behavior and include horizontal or slant asymptotes. So in order to find that, all I need to do is look at the lead two terms, which in this case is 2x over 2x. So I got 2x squared over 2x squared, which should just equal 1. Alright, and so that is my horizontal asymptote. Alright, and then it says find any vertical asymptotes. We need to distinguish between holes and vertical asymptotes. So what that means is we need to factor the top and we need to factor the bottom as well. So factoring the top, I'm going to say, okay, I've got 2 times x squared minus 9 all over 2x squared minus 11x plus 15. Alright, so that should equal 2 times the quantity of x plus 3 times the quantity of x minus 3. And then I've got a factor of 2x and an x. Should already have that minus there. And then it's just our job to figure out what goes in the boxes. So what multiplies to 15, what multiplies to 30, what adds to 11. All right. I need to add to a negative 11 though, so both those need to be negative. So x minus. Okay. So I see that an x minus 3 cancels out with an x minus 3, which means that I have a hole at x equals 3, and I've got a vertical asymptote at x equals 5/2. Again, these are based off of my denominator, so since my denominator of x minus 3, which is a factor, canceled out, that's why I had the hole at 3. When it's removable, we can remove it. And also in the graph, it looks like we literally removed a piece of the graph, leaving a hole where the graph used to be. And then in my denominator, I've also got this factor of 2x minus 5. And again, I could not remove it, which means that it is either a jump or a vertical asymptote, but with this type of function, we are just going to have a vertical asymptote at 5/2, because setting that factor equal to 0 and solving for x would give me a positive 5/2. Alright, that's that entire example. I will see you in the next video.